Hi, Forex trader. Lenka Taylor here from FX to Freedom. Today, I want to talk to you about currency pairs and how many you actually need to make a profit. So really, the simplest thing is start with one foreign currency pair. The easiest pairs to choose from are the ones that cross with the US dollar. Now, they're really good currency pairs because their charts are usually predictable and they have a very small spread, so usually cheaper to trade. And also, just starting with one currency pair cuts out the overwhelm and your time in analyzing charts. So let's have a look how many available instruments there are to trade. So on my chart here, if I say show all, so this is how many currencies, indices, and commodities are available to trade every single day. So if you were to go, oh, I'm just going to look for a trade today, you would be spending a lot of time in front of the screen trying to analyze all those. So just choose one or maybe two or three max to start with and get to know each chart really well. You will learn how the chart moves, how it reacts to different news in the market, and you will really get to know the times when it's a really good time to get into a trade and buy or sell the currency pair. So having the short list of maybe 1 to 3 currency pairs to start with is a good idea. I personally recommend the Aussie USD, Euro USD, and USD JPY. The reason for this is that their charts are predictable, liquid, plus they usually have small spreads and therefore are cheaper to trade. So for more advanced traders, if you want a little bit of more variety and be able to take trades during different market conditions, you could add a few more pairs or add some commodities like silver and gold, just to diversify your risk and give you the opportunity to trade in the more varied market. In terms of indices, I don't recommend trading indices, especially for new traders. If you're more advanced or been trading for a while and are okay to take on the bigger spreads and the volatility, then that's fine. But for beginners, I don't recommend it. So reducing the amount of currency pairs that you look at, the charts that you analyze, really eliminates the overwhelm and allows your laser focus to better spot the trends and the setups for the profitable trades every day. So if you go ahead now, choose a few of the currency pairs that you like to trade or take on my suggestions, add it to your trading plan, and let me know in the Facebook group what you've decided and what you're trading. Share it with the community, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of the challenge. Thanks for watching. Have a tremendous trading day.